You've become friends with your shadow. In fact, at this point, you treat your shadow as a lover. This message is not for everybody. Not everybody's going to understand what I'm saying right now. But if you've come across this and this is resonating with you deeply, you have become friends with your dark side. Welcome to my dark side. Ooh. This part of you that has been through hell from past lives, this lifetime, ancestral, you understand it so deeply. You love this part of you unconditionally, and you show up every day honoring both your light and your dark. This is a superpower in the world that we hold, where a lot of people are just operating from the shadow and they don't realize the effects that it has. You understand how to integrate your shadow, how to give your shadow love, how to take care of yourself. You understand the multidimensional aspect of who you are. This is a very deep message coming through right now. You're here to change the world. That's immediately what's coming through now. You are here to change the world. You're not somebody who's meant to hermit and not be in society. You're not somebody who's meant to run away to the islands or in the forest or anything like that. You're here to be on the front lines of humanity and paving the way for the ancient future. You're here to build systems that humanity needs. A lot of you are healers, medicine men and women, intuitives, astrologers. Some of you are also just here in the corporate world, changing the way the corporate world is, so that there is a balance between the feminine and masculine. The rise of the feminine is here, and you are a frontline light warrior. Because you have such a deep compassion for yourself and your shadow that this reflects out to everyone around you. This is why you're here. A lot of you are here to build new school systems, healthcare systems, medical systems, government systems. A lot of you are here to create art and music that is literally going to change humanity in such a positive way. So, Spirit wants you to know that you are heavily protected. You are heavily protected by forces that are so strong and so divine. And a part of your soul, which you probably already know this, is deeply angelic. You're not from here. Yes, you are human. Yes, you're in this human body, okay? We're not bypassing the fact that you incarnated to be a human in this lifetime. But your soul, the origins of your soul, is otherworldly. And you're here to remind other humans that they are too. You're an earth angel. I'm hearing higher angelic realms, the seraphim, the archangels. I'm hearing also Pleiadian and Syrian, Octurian, Andromedan, Lyran. Some of you are authors as well and writing books that are going to change everything. You have a very, very powerful soul mission and reason why you are here. And confirmation. And you are so supported with every step that you take. Do not ever doubt your power. You have faced the darkest parts of your own human psyche. The darkest parts. You have seen the darkest parts of the world. Whether it's been in person and you've actually went through situations that were really, really traumatic and dark, or you've seen things on the internet that you just were like, what the fuck? Maybe at even a young age, too. It's like you were thrown into the darkest parts of humanity, where a lot of people just kind of turn a blind eye to it. You stared it in the face. You stared the shadow of yourself and the shadow of humanity in the face, where you were able to then see that glimmer of love, that glimmer of light, and understand the wisdom, the purpose, the balance, and now your mission on what you're here to do. With every step you take, lean on your faith. With every step you take. But that's not the song, but lean on your faith. I made that one up. But seriously, you are heavily protected. Every step you take, lean on faith. And know that what you're here to build is going to change the face of humanity. Don't ever give up. And your soul wouldn't let you if you wanted to anyway. Because there were many times where you almost did give up, right? Where you were face to face with your own inner demons and you were like, what the fuck? What the fuck is this? I got whole body chills right now. You were face to face with your own shadow. And because of the origins of your soul, you were able to understand the purpose of it, of that darkness that you were facing. And now I'm seeing your frequency. Your frequency in the quantum field, everywhere you go, it's a ripple effect. You quite literally change rooms just by walking in them. The conversations that you are led to, that you have with people, shifts them, shifts their consciousness, and guides them on the path of their heart, on their path of healing. And I know for a while, maybe you felt like an outcast and like you didn't belong in this world because, like I said, you're otherworldly. Your soul comes from another place. But that is your purpose, is to bring in those dimensions into this now earth realm as Mother Gaia is going through ascension. Oh, yeah. So you're here to be on the front lines and to change humanity. You're not here to disassociate or run away. We need you. Humanity needs you. So those ideas that you have, those things that you want to create, it is divinely ordained. Follow it. Follow it. And if you don't know where to start, just take one step at a time, one foot after the other. And eventually you will be led to where you are meant to be and what you are here to do, and you will understand it. There's a great cosmic shift taking place, and the human race is meant to rise and become a galactic race. You already know they're here. They're in our oceans. They're showing themselves in the sky. And as we keep raising our vibration and raising our frequency and trusting and clearing out the shadows and the fears and the distortions, we will see them face to face. Our vibration will be high enough where we can actually see them. A lot of you might be telepathically communicating with them. I know I am. Yep, I talk to them. I've been talking to them since about 3 years after my dad died. I've been talking to them. So that's now for 4 years. They're here, and it's gonna be very apparent. I don't want to say dramatic, but the shift is happening because our vibration is rising. And we need to make sure to stay grounded, taking aligned actions towards our soul missions. We each have a unique purpose to be on the front lines of humanity to make this cosmic shift happen for all of us. No one gets left behind. No child left behind. That one got me emotional because there are a lot of distorted things where people are like, some people are vibrating on this timeline and they're not going to be a part of this. I don't agree with that. Yes, there's free will, but I do believe that we all have the right to our healing and to our divine life that is meant to prosper and be beautiful. No man, no woman, no child left behind. And you're here on the front lines to create systems, art, music, whatever it is, that are going to change humanity. This was a very deep and very powerful message. Just know that you are heavily supported. You are guided with every step you take. Do not be afraid. Do not be afraid. And now, with every step you take, every move you make, I'll be watching you. And that's the higher angelic realms. They're here. That's God energy coming through. Remember, Source is living inside of you and experiencing this incarnation as you. And Mother Earth, our great mother, has chosen. She's like, I don't want to be a dark planet that falls susceptible to all of these. Y'all know what I'm talking about. That dark agenda that's taken over the planet, that are literally infiltrated in all of the systems that we see. That's why you're here to build new ones. This is your destiny. Mother Earth has chosen, and you're one of her children who are here to make that shift happen on the front lines. So trust yourself, trust in God. Life is going to change drastically. But we have to do the work. We have to take the action. It's up to us. And this is why we came. Okay? I love you. It is an honor to be here on the planet with you at this time. Come join us in the Dove Tribe. I have a community healing circle on, I think it's the 29th. It's a Saturday. It's either the 28th or the 29th. The link is in my bio. Come join the Dove Tribe. If you join the Dove Tribe, you get access to both community healing circles. Check out my workshops. I might have a few personal sessions left in April. My calendar kind of filled up very quickly. But yeah, all of my offers are in my bio. Thank you for tuning into this message. If you made it this far, drop a sun in the comments if you made it to the end of the video. Okay, goodbye.